everyone. Welcome to another episode of our healthy eating series. Today, we have something special for you. Ready for a super tasty and healthy salad? This one is perfect for your 2025 diet plan. Today, we're making a Mediterranean salad. It's not just any salad. It's a burst of flavors and colors. It's full of colors and really good for you. Perfect for a sunny day or anytime you need a fresh, healthy meal. Look at all those colors. Each ingredient brings its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. Red, green, yellow, purple, like a rainbow in a bowl. Eating the rainbow has never been this delicious, and it tastes amazing. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. First, let's grab some romaine lettuce. It's the perfect base for our salad. Break it into small pieces and put it in a big bowl. This will give us a nice crunchy foundation. Now, some cherry tomatoes. These little gems are bursting with flavor. Cut them in half and add them to the bowl. Their sweetness will balance the other flavors perfectly. They're sweet and add a nice red color. Plus, they're packed with vitamins. Let's add some crunch. Cucumbers and bell peppers are perfect for this. Cut up some cucumbers and bell peppers. These will add a refreshing crunch to every bite. Use different colors, green, yellow, and red. The more colors, the better. These are good for you and make the salad fun to eat. It's a great way to get kids involved in healthy eating. Now for some Mediterranean flavors. This is where the magic happens. Cut some red onions into thin slices. They add a nice sharpness to the salad. Then crumble some feta cheese on top. This cheese is salty and tangy and makes everything taste better. It's a must-have for any Mediterranean dish. Don't forget the olives. Kalamata olives are essential for that authentic Mediterranean flavor. We need Kalamata olives. Their rich, briny taste is unmatched. They have a special flavor that makes this salad Mediterranean. It's like a little taste of Greece in every bite. Take out the pits and throw them in. This way, you can enjoy them without any hassle. Let's add some chickpeas for protein. They're a great plant-based protein source. They're good for you and keep you full. Perfect for a satisfying meal. Open a can of chickpeas, rinse them, and add them to the salad. It's that simple. Now for the dressing. This is what ties everything together. This is the best part. A good dressing can make or break a salad. In a small jar, mix olive oil, lemon juice, chopped garlic, a little red wine vinegar, and some dried oregano. These ingredients create a perfect balance of flavors. Shake it all up. Make sure everything is well combined. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix everything together. This will ensure every bite is flavorful. Make sure all the veggies are covered in dressing. And that's it. Your Mediterranean salad is ready to enjoy. A colorful Mediterranean salad that's perfect for a healthy meal. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. It's fresh, colorful, and yummy. You'll love every bite. Eating healthy can be fun. Get the whole family involved. This salad is proof. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's good for you and tastes great. A win-win situation. Try this Mediterranean salad. It's a game changer for your diet. Tell me what you think in the comments and subscribe for more yummy, healthy recipes. Your feedback means a lot to us. Have a great year. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching and enjoy your salad. See you next time.